Welcome to our class for today. Today we'll talk about the different types of sewing machine needles, their sizes, uses, as well as the relationship between the needle, the tension disc, weight of fabric, and the stitch regulator. So if you are making use of a manual sewing machine or a tabletop, then you should make use of HA or DP. The reason why I love the HA sewing machine needle is because you can sew just about any fabric, especially the stretchy ones. I use HA mostly when I'm sewing a stretchy fabric. DP is still good. If you are using an industrial sewing machine, that's a straight stitch sewing machine, then you should make use of DB. If you are making use of your weaving machine, then you make use of DC size 14. Now, DC is the shortest or smallest sewing machine needle we have. That's what differentiates it from others. These sewing machine needles come in different sizes depending on your project, on what you are working on. So if you are working on a lightweight fabric, then your needle should be between 9 and 12. If it's a lightweight fabric, keep it between 9 and 12. Because if you use a machine needle that is too big for that fabric, it will not really sew it. It will just leave holes, large holes on the fabric without sewing. You will not like the outcome of the stitch because the size of the needle is too wide for that delicate fabric. Then your tension disc should be between 2 and 3. Your stitch regulator should be between 12 and 15. If you are working on a medium weight fabric, you keep your needle between 14 and 18. Your tension disc should be between 4 and 6. Then your stitch regulator should be between 8 and 10. If you are working on a heavyweight fabric, you increase your needle size to between 21 to 23. Your tension disc should be between 7 and 8. Then your stitch regulator should be between 7 and 8 also. After every project, you are supposed to change your needle because sometimes you will not know that the needle is either blunt or bent, and this will affect your overall outcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Until our next class. Bye bye for now.